Snowflake Ornaments. Welcome back to the Let's Make It channel. Today we'll be making frozen snowflake ornaments. Yay! So our supplies today is a big tub that a parent or a grown-up is going to fill with boiling hot water. So do not touch it when it's full of water. And some chopsticks for noodles, but we're not making noodles today. And some pipe cleaners cut in half, and a little bowl, a clear bowl or a jar and some borax powder in, and some pipe cleaners cut in half, and a magnifying glass so we can see our crystals form. And some toys so you can see what Elsa looks like if you don't know what frozen is. So first, we have to shape our pipe cleaners into a snowflake. So let me take 2 pipe cleaners, put them in half, wrap it around, straighten them all out, and then put another one shaped like that. One time, straight on. Do you guys want to see up close so you know how to do it? Come on and take a look. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So I put my snowflake on one of my cut in half pipe cleaners. I loop it around one time. I bring it. I pull it and then I straighten them all out. It should look like this. You may have to trim them to fit them into your jar. Take the longest leg of your snowflake and wrap it around your chopstick. Then you make sure it's going to fit in your jar. So let's take these out and make sure it fits in our jar. It fits perfectly. If it doesn't fit perfectly, you can trim it. So don't say, no, we can't make it. Just ask your mom to trim it. Don't say, no, we can't make it. Guys, do you want to know how snowflakes form? Remember my video on clouds and rain? Did you even see that one? We'll put that one link down below. Do you know what? Rain is part of snowflakes. Did you know that? Rain is part of snowflakes. When it's winter and it's snowy and cold, it's winter here right now and it's really cold, so I'm wearing a sweater. When it's really cold like this and it's winter, when a water droplet comes down, it freezes into an ice spectacle. Let me look for a droplet in the sky. I don't see any droplets. Come on, Rain, make a snowflake! As that little droplet comes down, as that speck comes down, more specks, it will gather more specks up until it's a snowflake. Until it's little tiny ice crystals. All those little ice crystals clump together to make a snowflake. And you know what that is? That's something like I learned in science one day. So that is the science of snowflakes that I just told you. So now we're going to fill it with water and then put that in. Ask an adult to boil some water. We have our boiling water. Do not touch it. It's so hot. It will burn your skin off. So then we're going to carefully pour this in. Carefully pour the borax into your boiling water. Mix it so carefully so you don't spill the boiling water on yourself. Dissolve all the borax into your water. I think we're done. Let's do this one first that we already made. We did this video in the morning, so we're gonna at least wait 5 hours. But guess what? Something's gonna come in. Something's gonna come fun in the end of this video. You'll see. I bet we can think of fun things to do while we're waiting. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Thank you. Shake it, shake it, shake it. 86, 87, 88, 89. Hopefully 90. It's ready? They lived in a beautiful land far, far away. It was shivering in its class in the castle. The cold never bothered me anyway. We're back. We did a lot of fun stuff, but we're done and to see our crystallized snowflake. I love it. This is so cool. Look what we made, guys. Don't you like it? It's so sparkly and crystallized. We're gonna make a bunch of these things and hang them on our Christmas tree on Christmas. Did you know that? 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 Did you know? No. Let your snowflakes dry on a towel until they're dry. Let's see if they're dry. I waited a little while. I think they might be dry. Snowflakes. I love you. I love you too. Aren't they so sparkly? Now we use our magnifying glass to see our crystals up close. Let me go get it. Ooh, what do we got here? Do you see all those crystals? It's so sparkly. So cool. It's so cool. I love it. I'm super proud that I made this by myself. My parents didn't even help me at all. But it's okay to have an adult help you with the boiling water. My mom only helped me with that. I can't wait to put these on my Christmas tree. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. It's gonna be sparkly. We'll have a frozen Elsa Christmas tree. Thanks for making Snowflake Elsa ornaments with me. so cool. If you like this video, hit like and give me a thumbs up. And subscribe. The subscribe button is the button down below that's red and it has the word subscribe. Tap that red subscribe button down below and tap that bell, and then you'll know when we make more videos. And you can watch them right when we make the video. Yeah. Happy holidays. Happy holidays to you. Happy holidays to you. Happy holidays.